Dear students, now I am going to discuss about the basic formulas in differentiation. Formulae. D by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of a power x is equal to a power x log a. Next, d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. D by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. D by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square. D by dx of u plus or minus v plus or minus and so on is equal to du by dx plus or minus dv by dx plus or minus and so on. D by dx of uv u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Next one is d by dx of u by v. This is a quotient rule. This is a product rule. It is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. D by dx of constant is equal to 0. D by dx of kx is equal to k, where k is any real number. These are the basic formulas of the differentiation. Dear students, now we discuss the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. That is, first one is f of x is equal to sin x. This function is proved from the definition of the differentiation. Take the function is f of x is equal to sin x. Next we write f of x plus h is equal to sin of x plus h. We take f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to sin of x plus h minus sin x. So we know that f dash x is equal to, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the definition of the differentiation. It is f dash x is equal to, limit h tends to 0. We know the value of f of x plus h, that is sin of x plus h, minus f of x means sin x by h. Next, f dash x is equal to, limit h tends to 0. It is in the form of sin c minus sin d. We know the formula for sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2. Here c means x plus h, d means x. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 by h. So here x cancel. Here x plus x is 2x. That is f dash x is equal to, limit h tends to 0, 2 cos of 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. Now we write the limits for two functions. That is f dash x is equal to, limit h tends to 0, 2 into cos of 2x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin of h by 2 by h. So f dash x is equal to, that is, we apply the limit here, 2 into cos of 2x plus 0 by 2 into, we know that the formula in limits, limit extends to 0 sin ax by x means a. Here also limit extends to 0 sin ah by h, that is here a is equal to 1 by 2, that is a. 2 to cancel. So f dash x is equal to cos of 2x by 2 into 1. F dash x is equal to cos x. So we find the derivative of the sin x from the definition of the differentiation. Note, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. In a similar manner, we find the derivatives of the remaining trigonometric functions by the definition of the differentiation. Now I am writing the formulas for the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. That is d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. D by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. D by dx of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Example, find the derivative of ax square plus bx plus c from the definition. The given solution, the given function is f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. We take f of x plus h. In place of x, we write x plus h. A into x plus h whole square plus b into x plus h plus c. Is f of x plus h is equal to a into, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. We write a square plus b square plus 2ab plus b into x plus h plus c. So f of x plus h is equal to ax square plus ah square plus 2axh plus bx plus bh plus c. So we take f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to ax square plus ah square plus 2axh plus bx plus bh plus c minus f of x means ax square plus bx plus c. It is minus ax square minus bx minus c. C cancel. Minus bx plus bx cancel. Minus ax square plus ax square cancel. It is f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to ah square plus 2axh plus bh we know that f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 from the derivative of the definition. From the definition of the derivative, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. It is f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. We know the value of f of x plus h minus f of x is ah square plus 2axh plus bh by h. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. In numerator, h is common, that is h into ah plus 2ax plus b by h. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, ah plus 2ax plus b. Now apply the limit f dash x is equal to a into 0 plus 2ax plus b. That is f dash x is equal to 2ax plus b. Note d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c is, that is equal to a into x square derivative is 2x plus b into x derivative is 1 plus constant derivative is 0. That is 2ax plus b. Now we find the derivative of the cos ax from the definition of the differentiation. Just we take f of x is equal to cos ax. Next f of x plus h is equal to cos of ax plus ah. We take f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to cos of ax plus ah minus cos ax. From the definition of the derivative, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. We know that f of x plus h is cos of ax plus ah minus f of x is cos ax by h. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here it is in the form of cos c minus cos d. We know the formula for cos c minus cos d. It is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Minus 2, c means ax plus ah, d means ax. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 by h. Here ax cancel. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into sin of 2ax plus ah by 2 into sin of ah by 2 by h. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin of 2ax plus ah by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin ah by 2. We write the denominator h by h here. So f dash x is equal to, here limit h tends to 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Apply the limit sin of 2ax plus 0 by 2 into, it is already in the form of limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x. That is, here a means a by 2. That is, we get a by 2. 2 cancel. F dash x is equal to minus a into sin of 2ax by 2. 2 cancel. F dash x is equal to minus a into sin ax. This is the derivative of the cos ax from the definition of the differentiation. Thank you.